Tired of late fees? Let's get your TD Bank credit card bill paid quickly and easily, right now. First, head over to TD Bank's website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Make sure you're on the official TD Bank website to protect your information. Once you're logged in, find your credit card account. It's usually listed with your other TD Bank accounts like checking and savings. Click on it to view your credit card details. Now, look for the Pay Bill button. It's usually located near your current balance and available credit. Go ahead and click that to start the payment process. You'll then be directed to a payment screen. Here, select the TD Bank account you want to use to make the payment. You can usually choose from your checking or savings accounts. Next, choose the payment amount. You can select the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, or enter a custom amount. Only pay what you can afford. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the account you're paying from and the amount are correct. Once you're sure everything looks good, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message with a confirmation number. Save this for your records. You've successfully paid your TD Bank credit card bill. Remember to schedule payments in advance to avoid late fees.